Part of a real-time based restaurant specific for egg products. As you can as the name suggests, it's the egg culture. The products will be specifically made from eggs. The vision is it will be a sort of a mother's kitchen outside your house that would provide a cheap and healthy meal to all. The target is to expand the chain. Basically, it's to start up a chaining restaurant and it starting up from a metro city and then expanding it to other metro cities across the country and then to the world. Why I chose egg? The basic reason is, the first primemost reason is its nutritional value. The nutritional value, as we can see from egg, is quite high. As you can see, the calories, 80 calories, proteins, carbohydrates, fats are quite less, just 5 grams, that too is just present in the yolk of the egg. Cholesterol level is also quite less, that is just 230 milligrams. Cholesterol is a topic of discussion nowadays, basically for heart patients. So the nutritional value urged me to select egg as my point of business. The other reason was the biological values as compared to other meals which are a good competition to egg as a product. We can see the comparison is quite clear. A whole egg on a scale of 100 scores 93.7 as compared to milk. That is quite much suggested by our parents, by well wishes to have. Milk stands on 84.5 as compared to all others meals present over here. So the biological value also supported me to choose egg. Coming to the business, in this ultra modern lifestyle, the essential breakfast, the breakfast that is quite much essential as suggested by the experts, by doctors, we must not skip our breakfast. But due to the rush, due to our lifestyle, due to our hectic schedule, we are frequent to miss our breakfast. So my restaurant would provide a healthy breakfast, a breakfast that would be made from egg, that as we saw the nutritional value is quite high. So it would provide a healthy breakfast to all the students, all the working group men, working group women, and everyone else. Basically the targets are the people who are quite much busy with their schedules. What benefit would my restaurant provide to the consumers? It's actually not just good to taste, but also good to our body, good to the tummy. As we can see, the changing trends of, coming to our country only, the changing trends of people to have a fast food in our diet. Fast food culture is quite much popular with people. People are quite much likely to have fast food from outside than to have meal from a homemade meal. So it would be a fast food that would be quite much healthy, as we can see from the values that I just shown earlier. Double the value than the money. Why? The consumers get a reliable and healthy food that quenches the thirst of something good to tongue. The products that I would show later would be quite good to our taste buds as well as healthy. The egg lovers, specifically a real majority in our country, get a dedicated food junction to now. What benefits would the company get? A huge part of our population, approximately 79%, is non-vegetarian. About 22% are semi-non-veggies. Semi-non-veggies, I mean to say, they consume just egg, leaving up aside meat and chicken or. The huge part of our population will fetch our egg culture in a business. Now, this third point that is quite much supporting for my business point of view is the falling prices of egg. Here are some graphical data that support my business. It's like the ever increasing consumption of eggs among people in India. If we see the graph since 1960 to 2010, the purple line, you can see the topmost line that indicates the egg consumption in India, and that if you see the rise of that graph, it's quite much higher as compared to roots and tubers consumed in our country, to meat consumption, to milk consumption, and to the cereal consumption, as you can see clearly from the graph. So the consumption of egg indicates that my product can get a huge business from people of our country who are egg consumers. The second point is the falling prices of egg. Here is another graph that shows the prices of eggs are falling constantly. Here is a graph that shows the comparison between 2011 and 12 and 12 to 13 market. The cost of egg production as well as price, means the production use that was the cost that costed the production, and there is a comparison that a single unit of egg costed to us. So in 2012 and 13, the cost per egg was 2.95 and the price that we got is 3.22. Previously it was rupees 2 rupees 80 paisa, and then the price was 3 rupees 50 paisa. So we can see the downfall of pricing of egg. So that would be a benefit for me to save on my costs. How would I begin with the restaurant? The basic thought is to introduce with a few items like egg sandwich, egg rolls, egg burgers. This would be a fast food, but the basic idea is to start up a real-time based restaurant. The real-time based restaurant would ensure quality, evenness in quality and quantity. As we can see, giving an example, if you go to Domino's or McD, you can see the meals are prepared from real-time based machines that have the fixed temperatures and fixed timings. In that much timing and temperature, the food gets cooked. So, and there will be no unevenness in the product. And that's why I am seeking for a real-time based restaurant. How would I set it up? The basic idea is to start up a real-time based restaurant that serves snacks and fast food and beverages made up of eggs specifically. Keeping it real-time based would ensure evenness in all its product, irrespective of the number and locality. That is, it stays the same universally. It would reduce human intervention in cooking. So all I would need human employees that would be there in my restaurant. They will be for serving and for operating the machines. Starting off with one in Delhi, because I am presently here, located here for the next coming 2 years and 3 years or so. So if working on it and handling of the operations would be easier for me, starting with in Delhi NCR and then expanding it to other countries, cities and countries across the world. How would I work it out? To just count now, 19 licenses are required. I cannot mention the names right now, but 19 licenses are required to open a restaurant in India now. All that I would need is restaurant space, cooking machines, computer systems that would manage the machines, human resources for operating, handling and serving. The investment that is required for my business is the approx cost for setting up 1 minute is a bit high, is about 1.8 to 2 crores because the machines are quite much expensive. This includes the cost for licensing permissions, the restaurant area that I have to choose, furnishing and ambience, computer systems and softwares, food processing, the machines and the beverage machines, utilities like general utilities are required like dishes and tissues etc. in a restaurant. Tie-ups with the suppliers, those would be supplying the raw materials to me. So this was all with my idea of my business, of my presentation. Thank you all for listening. Thanks. If there is any query, suggestion, please incite from the audience.
Any query from the